So if you are currently holding Pi, come closer because I have a good news for you. And in this particular video, we are going to dive into how to currently make about $100 to $500 in the next 24 hours right now. And this is actually amazing. So we are going to practicalize this and we are going to go into the details of this particular video. So if you can check out from your screen, you are going to see the current chart for the Pi network right now, and the chart is actually moving so massive, and I may say this is the best time to be alive because this is actually very incredible. And you can see what we have currently. We have the graph to be going up, so we are going to position ourselves very well, and we are going to dive into how we can currently make this done. So before I go into this particular video, remember this is not a financial advice. So because I'm making money from this does not mean you will make. You might make more than I do, or you make lesser. So do well to take caution before you jump into whatever I'm going to say in this particular video. And for my last update, I've been seeing that this particular Pi network is actually following the Bitcoin trend right now. So let's go to check out what we have for Bitcoin, BTC. So for the Bitcoin graph, right, we have it to be at this particular position, and we have, so the pattern that this has been going in the last 24 hours, you are going to see we have down. So any down, we are currently getting another up, another new all-time high. And if you check out this particular side also, we have a new down, and after the down, we have a new all-time high. And this is the trend that this has been going. So you can see the last one also, we have a down path right now, and after that we have a new all-time high. So let's go back to our Pi network and let's see what Pi got for us also. So if you click on the Pi network also right here, you are going to see for from the pattern so far. So let's check out the patterns. So for the pattern so far, you are going to see we have a downfall right here which actually reached about $1, and it actually moved back up to reach about 1.16, right? And if you check out, it moved again to reach about 1.2, then it's actually come down again at this particular site to be about 1.5, then it moved up again to be about 3.1.3 rather, and now this is the current position right now. So it actually moved to this particular site. So that has been the trend of this particular project. So you can see, let's check out the latest down. So this is the down right here, 0.8, and this is actually going to be going back to about 1.2, 1.1, right? So how do we actually make this particular money, and how do we position ourselves? This is going to be a technical part because it's kind of technical, so you need to pay attention into this particular detail right now. Remember, we know we have the crypto trading and we have the forex trading. So this particular one is actually going to be a crypto trading kind of stuff. So, but you are going to be needing up to about, I think, $100 to be able to do this. You can do any amount, but for your amount to be efficient, the profit you are going to be getting in this particular project to be efficient, you have to have about up to $100 so you can actually double it and keep doubling it and thereabout. So this is how you do. So you need to position yourself very well. So right now, so when this particular update is about 0.3, 0.8 right now, this is a great point to actually buy. So buying at this particular side is actually good. So I bought some amount at this particular side, 0.8. I can see currently it is about 0.6, and the precision from the graph I'm currently seeing is actually going to move straight to about 0.1.0 or thereabout, or 1.2, right? So how do you get that done? First thing first, you need to, I'm doing this on my Biget. So if you're using Biget wallet, yeah, it's good. But if you're using another wallet that this is actually acceptable also, it is CoinGo. All you need to do is right now is to go to your alarm settings. So click on this particular site. So I'm going to click on my site, so you can see the prices alarm are actually set for this particular sub, which is going to notify me and see that okay, I've met up my target and I can currently sell. So if you check out this particular site, I'm going to click on one because I'm going to be selling about 1.2. So I need this particular stuff to reach 1.2. Then I'm going to click on how many times did I want this to actually notify me, and I want it to be multiple times. So I'm going to click on this. Okay, this is just once. Let me edit, right? So I'm going to click on this and it's going to be multiple times. So I'm currently waiting for this. So once it's actually currently reach 1.2, they are going to notify me that, oh, I've already gotten to 1.2, then I'm going to sell automatically. So that is what I'm currently doing for the past 24 hours, and I've made some amount of money. And this is kind of massive, this is kind of great, right? So before I go further, do not forget to give this video a thumb like and hit on the subscribe button if you have gained one or two idea in this particular video. You can even see the way I'm skipping because people are not subscribing, but do well to subscribe so you can get more updates and more videos like this in this particular video, right? So let's move further into our update. So that is basically how to do. So what you need to do is to buy at a lower price and sell at the higher price, and this is actually very easy to do, though it is kind of risky. If you are not actually well equipped in the cryptocurrency area, you are going to get lost. But if you are very patient and very attentive into the details, you are going to be getting some massive amount of money in this particular store right now. And before I go, do not be greedy because greediness actually kills. So if you have about $100, if you have, just make sure you're actually using it gradually. Do not borrow to invest into this particular store, because making money from me doesn't mean you actually jump into borrowing money and trying to do this at your own risk also. So now this is what I got for you in this particular video. So I'm going to be making more updated video about this particular stuff, right? So making money is actually getting easy, and I'm currently happy about this particular updates right now. So I'm going to make more updates for you, and stay tuned to the channel. I'll see you in my next video.